Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you through the best apps for healthy food recipes and help you choose the one that works best for you. Whether you want to eat healthier, cook more at home, or follow a specific diet, these apps make it easier to plan and prepare meals. MyFitnessPal is a popular choice because it combines healthy recipes with nutrition tracking. You can search for meals, view calories and macros, and save recipes to your daily meal log. Yumly offers personalized recipe recommendations based on your preferences, dietary needs, and allergies, with clear step-by-step instructions that make cooking simple. Fit Men Cook focuses on fitness and meal prep, providing balanced recipes designed for weight loss, muscle gain, and clean eating, with easy-to-follow ingredients and instructions. Forks Over Knives is ideal for plant-based or whole food meals, offering recipes made from natural ingredients and meal plans to simplify healthy eating. Tasty provides visual guidance with videos and allows you to filter recipes for healthy options, making it easy to follow along. Paprika Recipe Manager helps you save and organize recipes from any source, plan meals, and create shopping lists, which is great if you like building your own collection of healthy meals. The best app depends on your goal. If you want nutrition tracking and meal logging, MyFitnessPal is ideal. For personalized recommendations, Yumly works very well. For fitness-focused meals, Fit Men Cook is perfect. For plant-based cooking, Forks Over Knives stands out. If you prefer visual guidance, Tasty is helpful. To organize and manage your recipes, Paprika is very useful. Using the right app makes healthy cooking easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Explore these apps and find the one that fits your lifestyle and helps you reach your health goals.